Hello everybody, welcome to Internet Marketing University. Today's lesson on data writebacks will be more of a conceptual lesson in our channel management program. Data writebacks are a particular subset of campaigns that do not actually push any data from Merchant Advantage, but instead alter the existing Merchant Advantage database. The most typical data flow in Merchant Advantage involves importing a data feed, creating rules, and then exporting the data through these rules to an FTP folder, your desktop, or wherever else it might be going. This process will take care of most data manipulation issues, but the rules can only reference existing fields within the database. There will be times when it will be easier to construct a feed if there are additional fields within the database. As an example, let's think of a feed where the brand names are in the product title, but nowhere else in the feed. There are plenty of times when simply using a rule that references the product title containing the brand will suffice, such as only feed products or particular engine when the title contains North Face or Patagonia. However, if we want to create categories for these products that reference the brand name, it can start to get messy if we can't just reference it directly. To accomplish this, we must populate the brand field within the database before we are able to reference it with any additional rules. As you know, most campaigns simply push data out of Merchant Advantage. It would be possible to simply export the data, then re-import the data, but this is a tedious operation. The writeback campaign simply alters the database without actually exporting any of the data. To return to our example, if we were to create a rule that assigned the brand to Patagonia if the title contains Patagonia, or the brand to North Face if the title contains North Face, it would be much easier to reference these. Once this is done, this field can be used just as any other field within the database. If we wanted to create a category that then referenced the brand name, it would now be as easy as simply referencing the existing field. One thing to look out for is always remembering to trigger a writeback off of an import. One of the most common mistakes can be setting up a writeback and simply forgetting to run it, which will mess up any downstream rules. In this example, if we did not run the writeback that populated the brand name with Patagonia and North Face, our category rules would return errors. This is a simple thing to remember, but can be one of the most common things that you'll forget.